Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw all sorts of stuff, and I love to draw pets. So today, I'm going to show you how to draw a pet from my book, How to Draw Dogs and Cats from Simple Templates. It's got loads of different animals here for you to draw, not just dogs and cats, but kittens and puppies and faces and bodies and poses. But I love drawing schnauzers. It was my first dog was a terrier. What I like about him is it's round. That's a template right there. It's round on top, and it's kind of squarish in the bottom. And the toughest thing to do when you draw a cartoon dog in the front view is getting the mouth right. And this is a very simple mouth. So I'm going to draw this little guy and hope you will take a look and maybe you'll follow along. Okay, now start with, and these are all really rough at this point. We'll have an oval, not a circle. An oval, because we can squash it and adjust it. With a circle, the minute it stops being a circle, it looks wrong. Okay, so here we'll put a center line, which will divide it where the eyes are. Inside that circle, which is the skull area, is a bridge of the nose, like that. So just to get the look of the face, get everything in place, we are going to just kind of really quickly and roughly sketch out a couple of eyes looking forward at us. Sort of like that. We can make them a little darker as we go along. And by the way, you know how to make an eye look like it's looking forward in a cartoon? You make it slightly cross-eyed. You put it straight ahead as it really does, and it looks like it's kind of staring into space. Some eyelashes, but look, very small ones. Okay, now we're going to put the nose a little bit of distance from the bridge of the nose. Because it's a dog, you got to make sure that it looks like it's got, some length to the snout. See, this is the nose, this is the snout. So make this even a little wider. Snout is very cute, and it's got a big nose for a little guy. Right, now let's bring this split lip here, right? It's got a split lip, this little line here. And this side, a little smile, goes into the split lip. This side, we'll make it a little lopsided. It makes it a little more fun, see? Okay, now darker here, and I'm going to darken in the eyeball, like so. Now let's give him a little bit of an open mouth. It just shows you a little cheerfulness. You don't even have to finish it, see? I'm leaving this line here open. And a little bit of lip. Now just the eye here, bring it in, like that. Now the fun thing about the schnauzers, this connects, and that's the fur right there. So this connects a little bit, and that's the fur. We'll draw that in a second. It really reminds me of my dog. He was so smart. He taught me how to calculate a tip. That's how smart. Okay, so nice thick eyebrows on top, especially for the schnauzer. And now we're going to do something fun, a little different. Watch, now we take the ends, the rounded part, off the schnauzer here, and we have a kind of rounded line. I'm going to bring that in. Now we're going to bring the fur out like this. So we're adjusting as we go, like this here. And a little bit of a whiskery chin like this, and those cheeks come down here. You see how that goes? That's the fur line right there, although it's really hair on a terrier. At least that's what all the terrier people tell me. I'm going to bring this down a little further. About the same way this is. We look at one side, how do I do that? And it helps to do it on the other side, keeps it even. And what that tells the viewer is you're in control of the drawing. You know where it's going and where it's supposed to go. When this line is put down, the other one is right. And viewers like to see that. Like to see that you have control of what it is, because that way they can suspend the disbelief in the character. A little bit of markings there. Now we're going to give him the famous schnauzer hair, really messy here, like this. And we'll give him a little bit of a collar and a license, two different things, two different approaches, and we'll bring those kind of perked up ears like this, kind of not so floppy, but a lot of personality. So this is where he gets that kind of loose hair right here at the top. And we'll just put a little bit of furry hair down here. And looks a lot like my first dog, Mickey. That was his name. Very cute. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And again, here we go. How do we do? For black and white, not too bad. And how to draw dogs and cats from simple templates. You can get it at bookstores everywhere. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you will subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.